Alright, kitties, don't try this at home. Wish I had some whiskey, but all I got is a beer. Beer ain't doing much. Making me want another one. I'm wondering if I should cut with a knife around there. It's still being held on by something. This is the joys of hiking and snowboarding. There we go. Oh yeah. Son of a bitch. Ooh. And who said I had to go to the hospital for this crap? Look, fresh new toe. Oh, that little guy's held on somehow. I don't know how he did it. So, I could have went to the hospital. Big old hair on it. Ew. Spent hundreds of dollars. Or I could have just gone out in my toolbox. Shazam. Say hello to my new look. Sexy.